In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create API for Zoho projects. Start by logging into Zoho projects and opening your portal homepage. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct portal for your organization. This is important because API access is managed at the portal level, and changes you make here affect how integrations can connect. Next, look toward the top area of the Zoho project's interface, where your profile and settings options are located. Click the highlighted profile or menu area to open the setup-related options. This is the gateway to the administrative tools where Zoho groups developer and integration settings. From that menu, select Developer Space. Developer Space is where Zoho Projects keeps features related to automation, integrations, and developer utilities. Opening this section ensures you are in the correct place to enable API access and create the connection you will use for external tools. Inside Developer Space, click API and Mobile Access. This page controls whether the Zoho Projects API can be used for your portal, which is required before many third-party integrations or custom scripts can communicate with your projects. On the API and Mobile Access page, click Enable API Access. You may see this option more than once on the screen depending on the layout or the current status, but the goal is the same. Turn on API access for the portal. After enabling it, click Update to save your changes. Do not skip the update step because Zoho will not apply the setting until you confirm and save it. Once API access is enabled and updated, move to the Connections section by clicking Connections. Connections are used to authorize and manage how Zoho services and external services authenticate securely, without you having to share sensitive sign-in details. In Connections, click Create Connection. This begins the setup process for a new connection tied to your Zoho project's environment. In the Creation window, click Create and Connect to proceed with establishing the connection. If you are not ready to finish, you can use Cancel to exit without saving. After completing these actions, your portal is set up for API access and you are in the right place to manage connections for integrations going forward. That covers everything you need to know.